brand, take it to some new heights. Get it on and popping from the day to the night. Digital marketing to have your mind blown. Give your brand what it needs to make it well known. Branding tools to help you reach success. Build your business so it can be the best. Making money online without the stress. Tell her your goals and she gon' handle the rest. Nancy Badillo, social media maven. Giving your brand everything it's craving. E-commerce and blogging, got it covered.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another episode on my channel. Today tutorial, I'm going to go over using the right hashtags to be found on Instagram so you could be able to drive more traffic to your Etsy shop, as well as increase your engagement on your Instagram feed, your likes and comments and followers as well. So for me, I love using Instagram as a way to promote my Etsy shop. It's not enough just to put a great image, but finding the right hashtag is the key to growing your Instagram. And the biggest misconception out there is that in order for you to get a lot of engagement, impressions, post reach, also followers, that you have to use hashtags that are over 1 million or that they have a lot of, or they're very popular. However, you want to do the opposite of that. You want to use hashtags that are not oversaturated, because if you use a hashtag that's very saturated and that everybody else is using and that has over millions of people using it, what will happen is that when you create a post, within seconds, that post is going to get lost on the bottom of the feed. So therefore, you put a picture up, within minutes, your post is all the way in the bottom. No one saw it. You didn't get any engagement. You barely got any likes. And this is what happens to a lot of people. They feel like, well, I've always been told to use the most popular ones. In a way, if you already are getting a lot of engagement in your Facebook, in your Instagram page, and you get a lot of likes and you get a lot of comments, then you could potentially use those hashtags that are high in competition like everybody else is using, because it wouldn't affect you as much. However, if you have a new account or you're not as popular on Instagram, using those hashtags actually have a negative effect on you. Your picture will be lost in the feed. So I kind of wanted to show you exactly what I'm talking about, because it's better to show you so you could kind of understand what I'm saying. And I think that once you see this, it's going to give you a better idea of, for next time when you start researching hashtags, on how to properly select the right hashtags. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to do Wednesday, hashtag Wednesday. The reason I'm using that one is because today's Wednesday. So if you type in Wednesday, if you wanted to know how many other people use that same hashtag, you would type it in the search box and it's going to tell you. So this one has 14,805,000 people are using that post. So it's very popular. Hashtag Wednesday is very popular. And as you go down, they do decrease, so you could kind of start seeing other ones that have less postings. So that's the key. You will have to find one that I personally would say, try to do something below 10,000. If you use these very popular ones, this is what happens. So let's click on that one, Wednesday, hashtag Wednesday. So here we go. So you're going to see on Instagram that appears as top posts, and right here it says most recent. Top posts are posts that got a lot of likes, it got a lot of engagement, which is the likes, and it got a lot of comments. So if you ever have a picture that goes viral for that particular hashtag, or you have a picture that gets a lot of likes, your picture will come up here. Instagram will feature your picture on this section, and it will stay there until someone else's picture has more than yours. It's going to only feature 9 pictures up here. They could stay there within minutes, they could stay there within hours, or within days. It really depends on how many other people are using that exact hashtag, and how many likes and then also how many comments they have. So if they have more than these pictures, it will replace one of these pictures. However, let's say this is your post right here. You just did this one right here, the black one. And if you click on it, it's going to say this was done 6 minutes ago. So if you refresh the page, let's just refresh the page. I didn't do anything but just refresh it. That picture kind of disappears. So let's start from brand new. So this is a picture that was posted 15 seconds ago. It's a picture of a doggy playing with his bone. So if we were to refresh this page right now, they just put that picture, 15 seconds of me talking. Where's the picture right now? You see? It's already in the bottom. So within 15 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10 other people posted a picture. So right now, we probably have been talking about 10 more seconds, right? So if I refresh it again, the picture that was up here a few seconds ago was the ice cream picture. This one, you see? So within seconds, 9, 10, 11, 12 people added more pictures. And look at the picture down here, the little doggy. And it's going to keep falling down the feed. So within, I would say within a 5-minute span or 5-minute time, that picture is already almost at the bottom of the feed. It's rarely going to get any likes. In this picture shows 3 likes, probably the owner, the person that put the picture liked their own picture, and maybe a friend of theirs saw the picture and that's it. If we refresh the page again, you see the doggies there? We refresh it, it's been like 30 seconds, additional new pictures have come up, you see? The dogs are all the way on the bottom already. That's already 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 pictures within seconds of me speaking to you guys in this video. And the picture with the dog is nowhere to be found. Oh, it's right here. It's at the bottom of the feed. And that's what happens. This picture just got replaced. So the picture that was there originally just got moved. This one got moved up here, you see? This one was in there. This guy was over here. So the pictures that were top, they already got replaced with other pictures. But this is why I was talking to a few people in my Etsy group about hashtags. And it's important to use hashtags that are not overpopulated. This is almost like a hashtag is like a keyword. It's almost like SEO a little bit. If you use a keyword that's too oversaturated that everybody else is using, when you post that picture on Instagram, within seconds, your picture is going to be lost on the bottom feed somewhere. And therefore, you're going to get less engagement, you're going to get less likes, you're going to get less visits to your profile. You're not going to gain any new followers, and no one's going to see your product or your services. The picture of the doggy, I mean, I don't even know where it went. I can't even find it right now. But that shows you that what I'm saying to you guys is the right information. A lot of people have the misconception that, well, no, I've always been told to use the most popular hashtags. Well, as you can see, you can use them. That's not the problem. The problem is that you're not going to get engagement and your picture is going to get lost. So this was just a quick tip that I wanted to kind of cover. I did talk to a couple people and I said I would do a short video about it. If you have any questions about what I just showed you or any questions about hashtags or Instagram, feel free to leave a comment below. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night.